How to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Microsoft Rewards and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, About Microsoft Rewards. Open it. You will be directed to this page. Now click on the option Start Earning. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account's credentials. Once you type in that, you will be logged in and you will be directed to this page. Now, here towards the section Earn, scroll down. You can complete these and earn points. Daily Set, Study Smarter, Pop Princess. Likewise, scrolling down, you're gonna find this section of More Activities. Under that, you're gonna find tons of activities that you can complete and earn points. Once you are done, what you can do is, you can head over to the section of Redeem. Or scroll all the way down, you'll find this section of Suggested Rewards. Over there, you will find the option of Roblox. So you will need 6,000 points to get 400 Robux. Likewise, 12,000 points to get 800 Robux. If you do have enough points, you can click on it. You'll get the option of Redeem. Clicking on that, you'll get the Robux in your account. You can click on the drop down to select an option, whether you want 800 Robux, 1000 Robux, 400 Robux. Likewise, you can also enable for the option of auto redeem. This way, if you have enough points, the Robux will be automatically redeemed. So this is how you can easily get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.